अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वीडियो को कंप्लीट वॉच कीजिए। डोंट टॉक जस्ट एक्ट, डोंट से जस्ट शो, डोंट प्रॉमिस जस्ट प्रूव। Your relationship should erase your tears, not your smile. True love doesn't hurt, it heals. When you stop doubting yourself, you get a chance to see what you are capable of. I forgive people, but that doesn't mean I accept their behavior or trust them. I forgive them for me, so I can let go and move on with my life. Be with someone who would drive 5 hours just to see you for one. Trust yourself. Create the kind of person that you will be happy with all your life. Make the most of yourself by fanning the teeny inner sparks of possibility into flames of achievement. Success is not measured by money or power or social rank. Success is measured by your discipline and inner peace. The greatest sign of success for a teacher is to be able to say, "The children are now working as if I did not exist." Good people are good because they have come to wisdom through failure. The habit of persistence is the habit of victory. If you want to double your success rate, you need to double your failure rate. A wise man fights to win, but he is twice a fool who has no plan for possible defeat. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell so you never miss any of my video.